Another thing that I'd like to show you is if we add an adjustment layer, we can change individual things. So I actually want to brighten up this character just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, I'm going to say brightness contrast. And if I adjust it right now, you'll notice it does it for almost all of it, right? And the thing is that what I want to do is I want it to only apply to what is immediately below it. So I'm going to say, I'm going to click on this adjustment affects all layers below. Click to clip to layer. There it is. Now it's just clipped to the layer. And you can see I'm just adjusting this, right? And so I'm just going to kind of balance it out and bring it out just a little bit more. And there we go. I like that. That's good. And I'm actually going to do the same thing here. So I've got the layer selected. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to pick brightness contrast. I just link it only to that layer and just going to bring it up just a little. Not a whole lot, but just so that it balances out in there. That's nice. I like that. And I'm also going to do the opposite for our hero here. Bring it down. Could actually bring it up. Matter of fact, in the picture, maybe. I was gonna make him more sort of dark and mysterious, but maybe I'll actually change it a little bit. Let me just see. This is without. Maybe I'll make him a little bit brighter. Change my mind. There we go. I kind of like that. Okay. As you can see, you can continue to play with this all over the place. You can play with all sorts of different layer settings and all sorts of things in here, playing with levels and exposure and all sorts of stuff, and you can add it to each individual thing. You can think about making these guys pop and adding 3 dimensions to them and everything. If you double click on this, got all sorts of things, drop shadows, etc., that you can add. And good luck. Have a whole lot of fun playing with this. I hope that you like it.